Welcome to Daily Auto Tips. Have you noticed a fuel smell in your car? Or maybe your check engine light is on. You might be facing an evap leak. Let's dive into what that means and how it affects your vehicle. The Evaporative Emission Control System, or EVAP, is essential for controlling harmful fuel fumes. Its purpose is to keep those toxic gases contained in the fuel tank instead of releasing them into the atmosphere. A properly functioning evap system minimizes air pollution and prevents fuel odors from entering the cabin. So what is an evap leak? An evap leak indicates that the system isn't sealed properly. This can trigger a diagnostic trouble code, signaling a problem with various parts of the system. The leak can come from several areas, like the gas cap, vacuum feed lines, or the charcoal canister. The most common reason for an evap leak is a loose gas cap, often discovered right after refueling. Ensuring your gas cap is secured may save you a trip to the mechanic. But if that's not the issue, there could be leaks in hoses or defective components. To detect these leaks, professionals often use an evap smoke machine, which efficiently pinpoints the source of the problem. Now let's discuss the symptoms of an evap leak. The primary signs are a fuel smell and a check engine light. If you notice these, it's time to investigate further. 1. A strong fuel odor is a clear indicator of an evap leak. You can easily recognize this unpleasant scent, which is a result of gas fumes escaping from the system. It's crucial to have this checked immediately. 2. The check engine light is often linked to an evap leak. However, this light can signal various issues, so performing a diagnostic scan is necessary to pinpoint the exact cause. 3. You may also experience poor engine performance, such as rough idling or acceleration issues. An unbalanced gas-air mixture can seriously affect how your engine runs. 4. Hard starting can occur if air enters the fuel system, causing imbalances. While hard starting doesn't always mean a leak, it's wise to have a technician evaluate your car. 5. Lastly, failing an emissions test can reveal an evap leak as the system fails to filter vapors properly, leading to increased pollutants. When it comes to repair costs, it varies significantly. A new gas cap is relatively inexpensive, around $10. However, repairs involving an evap canister can cost $200 or more in parts. Using an OBDII scanner helps identify the exact issue and can sometimes lead to DIY solutions. So, is it safe to drive with an evap leak? While technically you can, it's not advisable. Gas fumes can pose risks to your health and the environment. If the check engine light is illuminated, start by checking the gas cap. If it's secure, seek professional help. In summary, if you're facing symptoms of an evap leak, it's essential to act quickly. Check the gas cap, monitor your vehicle's performance, and consult a mechanic if needed. Taking these steps ensures a safer driving experience and a healthier environment. Don't ignore the signs. Check your vehicle today and keep it performing at its best. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily auto tips.